In this quick video, we'll be going through Chaperone, Tier 5. In this, we need to complete an escort contract, kill 75 zombies during a single escort contract, maintain ACV's health above 50%, and Exfil with the quick revive recipe. So for this, all we need to find is an escort contract, such as this one here. It's got a picture of a tank on it, and we'll make our way down there. Now, this escort mission, as it's so close to a Tier 2 zone, will probably dip into it, making it a bit harder to get all of the zombie kills we need by the time it's done, but we should be able to get enough zombie kills in one go. That being said, if you have teammates, you could probably activate it and get them to go elsewhere and get the kills elsewhere. Should be simple enough. So, running up and picking this contract here, we should see a vehicle pop in, and all we need to do is protect this thing as the mission goes. Simple enough. Alright, and now this thing should start moving, and all we need to do is get a ton of kills while this is happening. If you stand on top of it, zombies happen to throw poop at you, but this thing should be moving. Doesn't seem to be moving. That's very weird. Do I need to press something to activate it? I don't think so. I think it's just glitched. Oh no, we have to start it. Okay, well, obviously you can just chill before this thing starts moving and get the kills that you need in the area, but we should need to continue with it and get kills as we go. If you happen to stray away from it, however, it should pause in its place, letting you run away and find some more zombies. Also, not to mention, you'll need to keep it alive. So we're already at 24 out of 75, not a ton, but you can see tons of zombies do spawn in at multiple points throughout this quest, and as long as it stays out of a Tier 2 zone, it should be very possible to complete. If we pop down one of these boys, we should make a ton of progress. Yeah, we're already at 56, and we need to keep its health above 50%, which shouldn't be too difficult. As long as you're holding zombies back, it shouldn't really take any damage at all. Oh, not to mention, I am not paying attention. We should probably stay close to it so zombies aggro us instead of the vehicle. That's probably a great tip to get things done quickly. So we should definitely be done with these zombie kills. Yep, we have. We've finished that part of the mission. Now we just need to keep its health above 50%, and the server is starting to lag, which is not making this easy at all. Alright, 80%. We just need to keep this thing around for a bit longer. There we go. This mission is complete, and inside of our little present here we should have, there we go, the quick revive recipe. Sweet. So that's the item that we need to exfil with. All we need to do now is keep it on us and exfil with it. So you can spend some more time bugging around doing things, but just make sure you get out alive. For now though, I'll definitely ping an exfil point, head across there, and get out of here. Once we leave, that will be the end of this mission. And there we go. Now that we've exfilled, we're done with the mission. So, thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.